So you've heard of deep fried ice cream, deep fried Oreos, deep fried pickles. Today I'm making deep fried bread. So let's get started. So to start off with, we're gonna make the satini. So it's just the dip to go with the bread. I have a bunch of cilantro here, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red hot chili pepper, 1 medium tomato, and some salt. So let's blend this all out, and you want like a nice consistency of like a dip consistency. Now this is the consistency that I made my satini, but if you want yours to be a little bit fine, you can just keep it in the food processor for a little bit longer. Now let's talk about our bread. You can use a baguette, you can use toast, you can also use buns. Just slice them up. So these were previously fresh. What I did was chop them off, put them in the freezer, and now they are ready to be used. So whenever I don't use my bread, I just freeze them. So I'm just gonna pop them in the oven, let it heat up a little bit, and then we're gonna use these for our frire. Now let's make the batter. I have 1 cup of besan flour, and I have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add in some salt, and then we'll add in some water. So I added in about 3/4 cups of water, and then just about 2 handfuls of the green onions. And this is the consistency that you want. Now let's get our little station ready. So we have our bread, our batter, a pan with some hot oil, and a plate with paper towels for afterwards. Let's test out the oil. Perfect. Do you see this? Let's get started. So turn down the heat of the oil. It was previously at high. Now we're just going to put it down to medium and dip in your bread. Cover it all up. There we go. So do a couple of these at a time, and it's going to go by really quickly. So you gotta hustle. So just turn it around and then let it keep deep frying. This is it. This is my recipe for the fried bread or du pain frire with satini. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking this video. And comment down below if you've tried this before. See you next time.